Hey guys, it's LT here. If you're looking for help with nutrition and you just need some type of game plan and structure to your nutrition, I challenge you to try my 21-day game plan out. Raising the Bar with Nutrition, my 21-day game plan, has made a big difference in my clients' results in addition to my wife. Now, if you're really looking to get results and you need help with nutrition, this would be a great opportunity to try my 21-day game plan out. And what's going to happen is each day I will give you a bite-sized strategy to implement into your eating. This will help you to get better results, help you feel better, drop some body fat, and be over on a better place. So if you're looking to get some strategies and some structure to your nutrition, I challenge you to try my 21-day nutrition game plan out. You're going to learn a lot and you're going to enjoy it. Have a great day.